Hey guys, I'm Sean Stanback with Pacific Charters, and today I'm going to show you guys a quick, easy way to make ceviche. Okay, so what you want to do is get your fish fillets, and you're going to slice them up like this. All right, and then after we get them sliced, we're just going to cube them. You can do big cubes, small cubes. The smaller you go, the quicker it cooks. Put all that in a bowl. Okay. Next thing you're gonna need is some jalapenos. So just cube these up. We're gonna throw them inside of our little food processor thing in the jigger here that we got. And you're just gonna wanna cut this up. You may not wanna put as many as I put, because this is gonna add intense heat to your ceviche. It won't start. All right, so these chopped up. Just take them, put some inside your ceviche. All right, I usually do mine by color. We're gonna mix it around a little bit. Got some nice color in there. Very fragrant. Smells good. Okay, next thing you wanna do is get some tomatoes, dice those up, throw them inside your little processor, and we're just gonna chop these up. You can also dice these by hand. There we go. That's enough of that. Okay, next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut up our onion. So you wanna take your onion, cut it in half, and we're gonna cut this way. All right. Now, the onion's already sliced this way for us because if you look, it's naturally sliced. Now we're just gonna go like this, chop this up, and I'm just gonna use like a half an onion. Okay, don't cut your fingers off here. All right, and we're gonna throw this right in the mix. Don't overdo it on the onion. Unless you like onion, then you could overdo it, but you don't wanna overdo it on the onion. Okay, and the next thing we're gonna do is pineapple. And you don't want to go too heavy on the pineapple. But like I said, this is just a quick, dirty recipe. You could do this out on the boat. You could do this on a campfire. And you don't even have to put pineapple, but I like a little bit of a sweet taste to mine. And you want the pineapple pretty fine. You don't want big chunks of pineapple. All right, we're gonna throw it right in the bowl here. Look at this. Okay, mix it all together. Okay, then we're gonna take our lemons and limes. I like to do a little bit of lemon and a lot of lime. Okay, I just wanna squish these in here, and we're gonna just fill this thing up with juice. You want it kind of like almost to the point where it's getting like it's a soup. Okay, and this is optional, bell pepper. Just take it, chop it up. If you got a little handy dandy food processor like we got here, throw that in, and we're gonna start. There we go, and we're gonna throw it right in here. Okay, the other thing that you can incorporate here is cilantro. You don't have to, but you can leave it exactly like this. It's gonna taste fine. The other thing, salt. Salt is gonna be extremely to taste. So we're gonna do this much salt right here. I'm not even gonna use that much because that might be too much, so. All right, incorporate all this, mix her all together. While you're at it, a little bit of garlic, chopped garlic. Oh, that's way too much. this is what you do. You get too much garlic, put it right in the sink. It's gonna be pretty garlicky though. I love garlic. Okay, the last thing I like to do is just cut off a little bit of cilantro, and be careful with this because it's easy to overdo. And it does add taste to it, but it also adds a lot of contrast and color. So we're just gonna sprinkle in like that much there. And basically what we've made here is salsa with fish. All right, and that's it. So that's how you make ceviche from your chili pepper rockfish.